Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, N.P. Detailing. Neil here, another video for you. I don't know if you remember, but about nearly 2 weeks ago I picked up some refurbed alloy RS4 wheels that are going to go on the S4 Buzz's car. Let's check it out. The car's all ready, the wheels are on, the old wheels are stacked up. We've forgotten about them. This is the fresh refurbed wheels on the car. Go and check it out. 19s. So guys, you've seen the car, you've seen the wheels, absolutely awesome. Thanks for watching the video guys. Don't forget, go and check out my other videos. Add some comments below if you've got an RS4 and S4 Audi. It's all about Audis today. Don't forget, hit subscribe, give a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you know when my videos are up. Thanks for watching guys.